Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert, and today we're talking about something that can make a huge difference in your dental experience: sedation dentistry. If you're considering dental implants or full mouth restoration, you might be wondering, do I really need general sedation? How does it impact the quality of treatment, safety, and the overall experience? In this video, I'll explain the different levels of sedation, why general sedation under the care of a certified registered nurse anesthetist or a CRNA is the safest and most effective option, and how it ensures you get the best value for your money. Let's start with the basics. What are the different levels of sedation? First, you have minimal sedation, or oral sedation. This is typically done with a pill, like Valium or Halcyon. You'll feel relaxed, but still awake and aware. Second, we have moderate sedation, or IV sedation. A step deeper, where you'll feel drowsy and may not remember much, but you're still responsive. Next, you have deep sedation, which is on the edge of consciousness and may not be as responsive. Finally, we have general sedation. In this case, you are fully asleep and the procedure is performed with complete comfort, with a CRNA monitoring your health and vitals the entire time. Now, each level has its place, but when it comes to complex dental procedures like full arch implants, general sedation offers huge advantages. For one, a better experience. So why is general sedation the best option for major dental work? Here's why. First, you have better precision and efficiency. When you're under general anesthesia, we can perform procedures without interruption. There's no movement, no coughing, no need for taking breaks. We can just get the work done efficiently and safely. Second, it's a more comfortable experience for you. There's no anxiety, no pain. You just wake up and the work is done. Third, higher quality work and fewer visits. Since we can work uninterrupted, it allows us to do more and take care of all your issues in one appointment, reducing your total number of visits. Finally, there's no recollection of the procedure. This is a major benefit for patients with dental anxiety or those undergoing long, complex procedures. Section 3. Why safety matters and why a CRNA is essential. Many people worry about the safety of general sedation, and that's completely understandable. But here's the key. When done properly, it's extremely safe. At Smile Now, we only perform general sedation under the care of a certified registered nurse anesthetist, or a CRNA. This ensures constant monitoring. Your vitals are tracked the entire time to ensure safety. Your doctor is able to work uninterrupted and focus on your care while another provider is making sure you're totally safe throughout the procedure. Next, you have specialized expertise. A CRNA is highly trained in anesthesia. This is literally their bread and butter. This ensures you will be comfortable, protected, and safe. This means you're in the best hands possible while we restore your smile. Section 4. How general sedation gives you more value for your money. Some people think, isn't general sedation an added cost? Well, the truth is, it actually gives you better value in the long run. Here's how. Firstly, fewer appointments needed. Since we can do more work in a single visit, you save time and money. Next, it's a more comfortable recovery. There's less stress and trauma during the procedure, which leads to a smoother, faster healing process. By administering pain relief and anti-inflammatory medications through an IV, the procedure itself is much smoother, as is your healing time afterward. Third, better long-term results. By keeping you completely comfortable throughout the procedure, your doctor is able to focus on the work and provide you with the best possible result. Precision and efficiency means higher quality restorations, which lead to fewer complications down the road. When you think about it, sometimes taking a half measure will cost you in the long run. Paying for the best experience and outcome up front can save you time, discomfort, and money. If you're considering dental implants or full arch restoration, let's talk. We offer free consultations and we'll walk you through your sedation options to ensure a comfortable, stress-free experience. Just click the link in the description to book your visit. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert insights on dental care. We'll see you in the next video.